intermediate graph analysis and conclusion practice. Are you guys ready? Come on, babe. So we got a baseline graph, blah, 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 baseline data set. We're going to add intermediate data to it. First, edit chart to be under setup, okay, where you can add datas. Here's the x-axis data. Those are the times. Series is y-axis data. This is the baseline data already included in there. We're going to add another series, or AKA another set of y-axis data. So click on that little grid there for add series. Select data range. Select the y-axis data for the temperatures for the intermediate. Okay, you don't have to include the column heading. You'll see what happens later. Okay. Yes. Yes. Look at that. Goes right sailing right off the griff graph. It goes sailing off the graph because look, check it out. Look how high the temperatures go in the intermediate data set. In the 90s, it's in the 90s. It's sweltering hot out there, people. We got a bunch of stuff to update in here. We need to like make new mins and maxes, or rather maxes for our y-axis. X-axis pretty much untouched. I have no idea where my last little data point is. We need to update our little subtitle, things like that. Make a legend or a key now that we have two data sets on our plot. Reselect the X-axis, the times. The whole way down to 20. Okay. Yes. Bango boingo. Go to customize. Chart style. No. Chart and axis titles. Yeah, let's change our subtitle. Click on the drop down. Make sure it's chart subtitle baseline and intermediate. Dunskies. Series. Here we go. Here's where I added my little data point nuggets. So if it's on either one of these, whatever, actually here, whatever new line just popped up, your red line or whatever color that is for you, click on that. You're going to go to point size, click on 7. That's our fan favorite, and I'll add little data point nugs to it. Legend, we need a legend. Top, put it up top. All right, here's where this gets weird. And there's no easy way to add like labels to these different colors to indicate what they represent. Go to your data tables. We're gonna insert a row, like a blank row, like in between the first time and temp, okay, in the table and the column headings. Okay, so right click or use both fingers, click on your Chromebook on row 12. Okay, insert one above. And there you go. So now we have a blank row. Above the first temperature for the baseline, we're going to type baseline. Above the first temp for intermediate, we're going to type intermediate. And then we're going to reselect our data, our y-axis datas, and include those little headings. Trust me. Trustful. All right, edit chart. Setup. Yeah, series. Okay, this is the baseline series. Edit. We're going to reselect our baseline datas and include that new heading that we just put in there. All right. Okay. And then go to the other series, the intermediate. Edit and reselect your intermediate temperatures and include the new column heading there. Okay. And right now, nothing has changed. So we need to click one more thing. Click use row 13 as headers. Kerpow! So there it is. Unfortunately, now we have this weirdness going on where our data is starting at like 1 second. So let's see. I'm going to reselect my x-axis data. Let's do this, I think. Okay. Yes. Yeah, you need to include the mystery. I just hacked Sheets. You need to include the empty box above the 0. Why? I don't know, because Sheets. Our legend is done. Look at that baseline intermediate. It looks so pretty. All right. Horizontal axis. Do we need to change anything there? I don't think so. Vertical axis. All right, now we need to adjust our mins and our maxes. We're good on the min. Our lowest temperature is 74, so we're good there. Our highest temperature is 94. So we need to make our max. I like making it just a little bit more than the actual max. So let's see what happens with 96. Yeah, that looks so red. That looks cool. I'm so proud of myself. I'm gonna try out for Wizard of Oz. I'm gonna be the oil can. I think that's I think yeah,